Hello ka YouTubers! Look at those Dorasta geese. Nagma-migrate sila dito sa Canada if it's summertime. And then if it's winter time, babalik na sila sa US. So, andyan sila oh. So, they're getting ready to go back to where they belong. Yung iba, andun, kakain muna sila ng grass kasi matagal ang biyahe nila. So they're coming here every year, every summer. Dito sila sa amin, sa Winnipeg. Nag-stay for the whole summer. Now they're getting ready to go back where they belong. So ang ginagawa nila, kumakain muna sila ng marami para may lakas silang lumipad hanggang makarating sila sa kanilang destination. So they call it the geese. Yan po.